Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at adding a cover CTA to our single listings that pulls up an email client and then automatically fills in the fields like the to address, the body, the subject, that sort of thing. Okay, I had a client ask me for this yesterday and I thought it would be a good video to share with everyone else out there. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is find the mail to generator, and you can go to Google and just do a search for mail to generator. This is the one that I've always used right here. It's mail2link.me, and then I switch it over to dark mode. Defaults to light mode. I just switched it over to dark mode because that's my preference. And here we build what we're going to put into our CTA button. Okay, so let's say we want to send this to the listing owner, and then we also want to send to like maybe the owner of the directory, the website. So you, for example. So what we can do is we can hard code an address in here, but we're also going to do a bracket because in my listing, if you use the brackets and on each side, it's going to pull in it's like a short code, right? So it's going to pull in a particular value. In this case, we're going to pull in the value from an email field that we have within our listing type. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put in email here, bracket, and I'm going to put a comma because in email, typically when you have the to line and you want to separate the email addresses, you put a comma in there. If you want to do something different, I don't know, I think that's the most common. So we're just going to roll with that. So bracket, email, and bracket, close it. And again, this is going to call our email field. Okay. And it can call whatever field you have. You just got to make sure that it's, you've got the right key in there. We'll look at that. All right. So then we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to put in like a hard address here. So I'm just going to put in Ryan at mylisting.club. Okay. And the to line, and then you can do CCs and, BCC here if you want. We're just going to do the to field here. Subject, book, booking request. We'll call this booking request. And then you can jump down here into the body and say, hi, I would like to request a booking, yada, yada, yada. Okay. You can put whatever you want in here. Okay. And then down here at the bottom, we see this copy code option. So we're just going to click that. We're going to jump over into our listing type. So listing types. And what I've got here is just the default MyListing demo. We'll go ahead and just go here into cars, the first one on the list. Go to our fields. And let's see what we have for email in here. Let's do a search. Contact email. There we go. And the key for this one is I believe it's email. But let's see it. Let's go now over to our single page. This is where we're going to add that cover detail. And we're going to add a custom action here. And we're going to we're going to put a calendar icon on it. We're going to put a label of book meeting. And then we're going to do the link to, and this is where we drop in that code. All right. Let's go ahead and look at this. All right, so it's not pulling that email in, so let's go back. There we go. So contact email is what it wants. That's the correct shortcode for that. So what we're doing then, again, is we are injecting whatever value they put in for that email field, so their email address. We're injecting that in, and then the rest of it we already explained, okay? Let's go ahead and click done here. Click update. And because we are adding this as a cover detail to this listing type, it doesn't matter what listing it is, as long as it's a car, which listing it is, as long as it's a car listing, it's going to have that CTA in there. So let's open up this one. Okay, here we go. So here's our new button, book meeting. So if we click that, what it's going to do is it's automatically pulling up our email application. And here we have the to line, and we see there's our email address that we put in that field, comma, and then the next email address. And then now you have the subject and you have the body that we configured. Okay. So just that quickly, you can set that up. And like I said, if you Google this, there's a ton of generators out there that might offer even more stuff. Let's click on this one. We see we've got 2 BCC subject body. Okay, that looks about the same. Let's go to this one. 2 CC BCC subject body. Yeah, so it looks like they largely do the same thing. So you just pick one. Let's check one more here. 2 CC BCC. Yeah, so these all do the same thing. You just pick the one that you like the most and roll with that. Again, one more time, we added a book meeting CTA. We click on that. Boom, automatically populates our email platform. Good to go. Real quick while I have you, if you haven't seen it yet, Influence WP is my new project built with the MyListing theme. I have opened the coupon again for another 24 hours for you to get a 100% free lifetime subscription. There's a lot of movement going on in this business right now with my talks with partners. There's already deals going up. But here under the consumer's membership, if you want to sign up, so it's influencewp.com/membership. Use coupon code LAUNCH. Again, it's only going to be up for another 24 hours and it might be gone forever. I'm kind of like opening up here and there, but do it while there's no cost. So right now you get the exclusive deals. You'll have all access pass to the community when it launches, and then giveaways from the partners. And then I've got a couple other exciting things in the works that are coming. But yeah, definitely check that out. There's more stuff to come. You want to get in while it's free. Okay. Again, use the coupon code LAUNCH when you check out. And all right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one.